lunge line with a chain on it. They know what it is. They are not concerned about it. As you see, he is not the least bit afraid of the chain, but he does know what it means. You're okay. Yeah, somebody over there is getting pushed around. And you see I have my lunge line in the wrong place, because from this side it's going to work great, but when we turn around to go the other direction, it won't. So it goes to the inside of the reins. That's a good boy. Yes. Yes, he's a good boy. Yes, he's doing just fine. Dave talks to all the dogs on the way in. Nuh-uh. I actually can move those blinders up just a little bit. That will be a little bit better. I think that he's pretty even, although he's been dropping his head quite a bit, so there's a chance that them being lower is better, because then he can't look under them. So since I want to raise those and I have the time, I lengthen the bottom before I raise the top. This harness has what are called tandem rings on it, and they're just fine. I've left them there because, yeah, you never can tell. Someday I may actually get brave enough to drive tandem. I have seen too many lead horses turn around and talk to the person sitting on the box to be real comfortable with driving tandem. The flies are starting to come out. Get the hay off your face. And I'm going to shut this off for a minute.